Our goal in including applications within Attivo All-in-One was to make it as comprehensive as possible to solve the problem of all of those multiple islands of automation and spreadsheets. So we include a complete financial management system, the cornerstone of any good system, which is GAAP compliant, supports multi-currency, supports intercompany transactions, and even expense management for your personnel in the field. It has a robust CRM system, managing all of your marketing requirements, quoting, customer service, and sales opportunities. There's integrated electronic payment solutions within it, from bank reconciliation to ACH and credit card integration. Robust order management and fulfillment, such as drop shipping, and integration to shipping systems such as FedEx and UPS are also included.